Here I have Samsung Galaxy S8 and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So first of all, let's start by holding a power key, then let's choose restart and tap restart again. When the Samsung logo pops up again, let's start holding volume down, so let's be prepared. Right now let's start holding volume down key and keep holding this key through the whole time. And that's it. Now you can release volume down, and as you can see right here at the bottom of the screen, the device is in safe mode. So if you would like to quit this mode, let's just press power key and let me tap restart again. The device is restarting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. Now you may use your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.